Hello and welcome to Flipgrid. I will show you how to use it. Flipgrid is a video making website. We will make videos to practice English. How to make a video. First, click the link. Then, write your student ID. Click the green button and record or upload a video. Then, take a selfie. Write your name and video title and submit. So let's look at how to make it. First, click the Flipgrid topic link. Then, write your student ID. Your ID for Flipgrid looks like this. It has 6 numbers. So your student ID to your Flipgrid ID looks like this. If this is your student ID, then your Flipgrid ID is 03, 02, and 01. Here are some more examples. Then, click the green button to record a video.
Okay, let's get started. First, enter your ID. And let's go. Here you have the topic and some questions to answer in your video. Ready? Click the green button. Okay, now it's time to record your video. So, click this button when you're ready. Hello, my name is Jessica. I like chocolate and I don't like coffee. I have one younger sister and a cat. My dream is to see the aurora borealis. All done. And click Next. This is my video. I can click and make it shorter if I want. So maybe here. Confirm. When I'm done, press Next. Time to take a selfie. Okay. Now for the final part, write your name, the title, and done. Congratulations! You have finished with your video. If you want to upload a video, first, click the green button. If you don't like this and want to use your phone, you can make a video, then click here, and you can put your file there. Only MOV, MP4, or WEBM.
You might also see a screen like this. So, you can upload a video by clicking this button. Then, you will see this page, and you can put your file there. Remember, only MOV, MP4, or WEBM can go there. And remember to take a selfie, write your name and video title, and submit. Thank you for using Flipgrid. Good job and keep practicing English.